Puppet combat. Choose your fighter. Ellsworth versus Chick. Begin. Finish him. I mean, why wasn't it finish her? Or finish your opponent? I don't know. Are you... Is that you, Strawbridge? No, man, it's me, Chick. What? Are you okay? Are your eyes working? No, my eyes don't work. Oh, that's cool. So, yeah. No real plan, huh? No, we didn't plan here at ToastyTentacle. We just kind of throw the puppets on and hit record. I mean, that's kind of the magic of it, isn't it? Oh, yeah. So, this is the song we sing. This is the song we sing when we don't want to think about anything. 'Cause all of the voices inside of us whining. All of the voices inside me are screaming. All of the voices inside me are screaming too loudly. Dude, man, that is a rough song, man. I don't know. I know. It's kind of, yeah. Wait, where'd you go? All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to ToastyTentacle. It is, very nice to meet you. Very glad you tuned in. And, I don't know what to do, 'cause there's no real plan on this show. I didn't even know I could do that with a beak. All right. Well, I guess this is what you get when you leave Chick alone on the set. You get stuff.